I am going to show you how to do this awesome 5-strand braid using my color-coded braiding cap. Now, even though it's a 5-strand braid, there will only be 3 colors. 2 outer yellow, 2 red in the middle, and 1 orange. When you think of team yellow, think above, under. When you think of team red, think under, then above. Let me show you why. Team yellow is going to start by going above red, under orange, and crisscross underneath. Team red is going to go under yellow and above orange and crisscross above orange. Team yellow is going to go above red, under orange, and crisscross under orange. Team red is going to go under yellow and above orange and crisscross. Team yellow is going to go above red, under orange, and crisscross. So team yellow always goes above red, under orange. Team red always goes under yellow and above orange. And that's it. That is your 5-strand braid. So here we have orange is the crystal strand. On this one, orange is the braid. Changing it up, I did team yellow on this one. Team yellow is roping. And for this last one, which looks extremely intricate, it is just team red being 3-strand braids. Hope you guys enjoyed this 5-strand tutorial.